you put a lot of effort and technicalities to make water quality up to the level of drinking water.
It goes into the groundwater basin, and it's kind of getting polished by Mother Nature, getting further treatment.
Good morning, John. Welcome. So, could you explain yourself?
Sure. Good morning. My name is John Kennedy. I'm the general manager of the Orange County Water District in Southern California in the USA. And we manage a large groundwater basin in the northern half of Orange County. We have 19 cities in our service area. There's 2.5 million people. And our groundwater basin provides about 85% of the water that's used in our service area. The other 15% is imported from the Colorado River or Northern California.
Right, great.
So so Mother Nature gave us a groundwater basin, and our job is to protect it and to maximize its utility, to use it as much as we can to provide reliable water supply for our residents.
Yeah, great explanation. So is it your first time in Saudi Arabia?
Yeah, first time. His Excellency from the Saudi Authority,
Water Authority.
Visited us in September.
That's right.
And he came out with about 15 people, and we gave him a tour of our operations, and a tour of our very large recycling project. And at the end of the tour, he said, "I'm going to invite you over."
Great.
And we said, "Sure, we'll come over." And then we got the invitation, and here we are.
Okay, so far, how do you feel about this conference?
Oh, it's a great conference.
All right.
So many, knowledgeable, smart people here. Lots of different companies. You just walk around and you're going to learn things.
Right.
But we've been put to work. I also came here with my board president. And we've been giving presentations and talks. And we even have a booth out here where people come up and talk to us.
Great. So, let's talk about, let's say the world largest water replenishment project in Orange County.
Sure.
You just mentioned that water basin serves a huge amount of water living in that area.
Yeah.
So what is this initiative started from? So is it like, what is the demand for this water replenishment project?
Sure. Yeah. So we have 2.5 million people. Their total water demands, I'm going to use American units. Their total water demands are about 400,000 acre feet a year. And so we are located right next door to the Orange County Sanitation District. And they take care of the sewage in our service area. And so all the sewage comes to the sanitation district, and they treat it to secondary standards. And then at that time, what used to be discharged to the Pacific Ocean. But we said, hey, we should reuse that sewage. So we take that secondary treated sewage, and then we treat it to drinking water standards. We run it through microfiltration first, then reverse osmosis, and then we have ultraviolet light with an advanced oxidation process. So it's a 3-step process. And by the time we're done, we have drinking water. And when people come and they visit our facility, you can actually drink the water. It's that clear. So
So actually at that point, I wanted to ask you, although you put a lot of effort and technicalities to make water quality up to the level of drinking water, but still, if people understand that this water originally came from sewer water, then people might feel kind of, strange feeling when they drink it. So in terms of public awareness, do you do any campaigns to run, or are you being in contact with the customers to make sure that this water is good enough?
Yes, absolutely. Because what had happened before we constructed our project is similar projects that were proposed in Los Angeles and San Diego failed because of the yuck factor.
I see.
People get a little squeamish. And so we had a very robust public relations type program. And what we found, if you go out and you explain to people what the technology is, and you show them And we even have bottled water.
Right.
And we had a little pilot treatment plant, and we would have bottled water.
Right.
And we'd put the water, on a table, and it's very clean, clear.
Of course.
And people became more accepting.
Right.
And then the other thing that goes on with our project is that we're taking this drinking water and we're putting it into our groundwater basin.
Right.
And so it goes into the groundwater basin, and it's kind of getting polished by Mother Nature, getting further treatment.
Of course.
And then the groundwater basin acts as the distribution.
Right.
And the water goes throughout our service area, and then different cities in our service area pump the water out and then serve it directly to the customers.
Yeah.
So it has worked very well for us.
Right.
And so other agencies from around the world will come and visit us to see what we do, how we did it. Right. And then they may duplicate our project in their service areas. Yeah.
In the kingdom also, we face a lot of issues when we produce clean water from seawater. Obviously, this is very energy intensive process.
Yes.
So we are also looking for kind of managed aquifer recharge technologies to utilize, in a better way with our groundwater resources. So I think, maybe we can refer to your experience, and probably, we will share some knowledge later on, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. And I expect that we'll be meeting more often with the Saudi Water Authority.
Right.
And if there are groundwater basins available, this is a great way to use the groundwater basin.
Right.
And recycling sewage water is cheaper than treating the ocean.
Exactly.
You don't have the high salinity, and it's a lot, like you've said, you use a lot less energy recycling sewage. Yeah. So it's just an overall smart thing to do if you can.
Right. It's such a great talk. I wish we could, have more conversations about many other subjects, but, I think I will have to let you go. But I'm sure for the rest of the days, please enjoy more and, connect with other people during the conference, and hope you have a successful visit in Saudi Arabia.
Thank you. I'm sure I will. And I really have enjoyed it so far.
Great.
And I hope to come back in future years.
Sure, of course.
Okay.
Thank you so much.